Hi, my name is Caesar and I'm here to show you how to make a good beer without cut your skin. I know that some of you think that it's difficult because the blade cut. Sometimes you don't know how to follow the steps and to do it perfect what products use. The first thing you need to know is what products do you need. You need a shaving brush. Clean it, please. You need a product for shaving or even a soap, a soft soap. You need the simple the razor, knife, and this thing. And sometimes you use to do it, or I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to do. First, the blade. If you are using this one, you have to cut it in half. When you cut, you have to cut it with the paper. After you cut it, you do that. You have to protect your finger. You take it off. You open. If you have this one, there are another styles, another kind of scissors. For example, I have this one, is one style, and these are professional ones. You have the one, I guess you are going to use one in your, you can buy on the supermarket or something like that. Alright, we are going to start. First thing you need to know is I am going to, if you are on the bathroom, you can do it with your underwater. I am going to use just to apply it. See how it makes spoon. Now I am going to use it here. I will make 4 parts. I don't make it straight all the way. This is for this. See the mark you need to do. The mark I will gonna follow here. I make this. I will take this like my lips is here. I am going to mark. Now I know exactly where I have to go. And I'm going to first the other side. It's the same thing. I just want to protect my mustache because I don't want to destroy it. See, circular movement. Now you have this, and you do the same thing. My lips, the story of my lips. I have them. As you can see, I have changed as I do it. See, I clean it. I know that you are thinking, why but you do it so fast? Well, I have 22 years of experience making beers. I know that I look young, but I started very young. Now I am going to make it over here. Now I want to explain you something. Every person has a particular face, like everybody. So you have to respect your face. Some people like to make the format over here to make it very close to this bone. This is good if you want to eat it show up. But if you have double chin, it will not gonna look good to you because you have over here and this will look you fat. You will look fat. If you have double chin or you don't have even make it here, see how it will it look. It will look good here, but here it will look that I have an extra chin. But I use more. I wanna use for my kind of face. Every face have this one. My kind of face is this one. So what I do? How do I know exactly what to do? To make it look exactly what I have to, I follow the natural aspect. Look, that is exactly where I have to go. I take this finger, never do it against the hair because you are going to cut your skin. Always do it following the direction of your hair. Mhm. Doing it right here. Now this place, it's a little difficult. I'm not gonna lie you. It's very difficult. What you do, you take your ears uh, from outside to inside. Don't go so inside because it will look unnatural. The same this way. You take your ear, you go from inside, sorry, outside to inside. Over here I see a difference, so I correct. As you can see, I never put straight on this way. If I put it here, I'm gonna cut my face because it's not a safety. This is a professional, it's not professional, it's a really old. You have to make it see, almost lay down, lay a little, I guess it's 35, 45 inclination. Great. So that's what you do. Now we're going to do this one. Now I put my mustache up. I brush. If you want, you can brush it to look it beautiful. Huh? You have to clean it. That's if you want to clean it. If you want, you can stop. This one, I'm gonna go against the rule that I say always follow the the movement of the head because here if you go from up to down, you have no space to do it. So the first thing you have to do, you're going to do it is you have to try to bite a little your lower lip. And that's it. See how we see this? a beard easy to do. I know that your beard must be very tight. My one is I prefer my mustache. But you see how easy it is, have the straight lines, make curves without cut your face. I know you can do it. Leave your comment below and I can give you some suggestion tips depending on your face, your hair, or even the kind of product you can buy. I'm gonna leave some links here, the kind of products you can buy that you're gonna need. You're going to need this for this, okay? Show up.